and welcome back to Get Healthy Now Mastery. And welcome, Team Get Healthy Now Mastery. Grand Rising, Grand Living. What an awesome day that we have been given. And we are just enjoying it. So welcome to day 29. Day 29. You have been amazing in Raw-Vember. You have been amazing. And I applaud each one of you. Yes, I do. I do. Oh, yes. So before we move forward, let me say thank you to all of my subscribers, to my new subscribers, those who are new to joining Team Get Healthy Now Mastery. We're going to do this thing. We are going to do this thing. Yes, we are. So before I go any further, if you have not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. And definitely send me a comment and share this information. So we have a good one for you today. We are actually going to juice up some ginger. Have you heard of ginger shots? Ginger shots, so you have a little bit of ginger and just ginger. But I would add a little bit of water to mine. You see, but this is it. We're just gonna actually juice up this ginger. Absolutely. And I left these out so you can see what the ginger looks like. Okay? For those of you who don't know what ginger look like, this is what it looks like. Okay. So what I did was I peeled some of the peelings off of the ginger. But before we go any further with this, we're going to talk about the ginger. But first of all, let me just say this to you, that you are your own empowerment. You have been empowered to do whatever it is you want to do in this life. In this life. You are empowered to do it. You are equipped to do all that you set out to do. You are equipped. You are equipped. So, and just know that, you're going to have some challenges. Challenges come so that we can find the solution. That's part of your empowerment, is finding the solutions to your challenges. Absolutely. Because a challenge comes doesn't mean that you stop doing what you're doing. When challenges come, I find myself doing more and more. That's the key. Yes, it is. So you are empowered to do that. And when we look at empowerment means to give power to give authority to permit it to be so. And we're the ones who have that authority. No one else has that authority over any individual. Each individual has that authority over his or her own empowerment. I just want you to know that. I wanted you to know that. So now I have a question. Have you given yourself the power to move forward and prosper? Have you authorized yourself the power to move forward and prosper? Have you authorized yourself to walk in good health? Only you can do that. Only I can do that for me. So I just wanted to share that. So just know that you're your own motivational miracle. You are your own motivational miracle. And a lot of what we put in our mouths determines if we give ourselves authority to be challenged and then find the solution. Absolutely. Ginger is a part of that. So I challenge you today. I challenge each one of you today. Yes, I do. I challenge you to improve yourself. I challenge you. Yeah, I challenge you to improve yourself. So challenge yourself to improve yourself. Come on, y'all, let's do it. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. So we're going to move on, and we're going to talk about this for a minute. Your health portfolio. Yes, your health portfolio. Important. It's important, y'all. And this actually helps empower you to move forward. It helps empower you to move forward. I promise you. But don't take my word for it. Try it and see. I always say life is an experiment. My life is my experiment on earth. Your life is your experiment on earth. So let's experiment with ourselves and see and find out the results. Find the solutions to all of our challenges. Find the answers to all of our challenges. Find the answers to all of our problems. We have the answers within. We have the answers within. So let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. So on that note, I want to say this. I'm going to say this. We're at day 29 of Raw-Vember. Awesome. 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 So I don't know what you all did on your day of thanks, but my day was powerful. It was powerful, powerful, powerful. And I was really excited and proud of myself for moving through that day of thanks on Raw. All Raw. Yes. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I'm excited about that. So that lets me know that I am preparing myself for Raw December. Raw December. And then Raw December going to take me into the winter solstice. And then the winter solstice going to help me to reset for January 1. The first 7 days in January, I will be doing a juice fast. The first 7 days in January. January 1 to January 7. Juice fast for me. Yes, it's a time to reset. Okay, so I'm not gonna say anything else. We're gonna do this. Let's talk about the ginger. We're just gonna do ginger, a ginger shot every day until this runs out. All right. Then I'm gonna tell you the results. Yes, it's gonna be strong. It's powerful, but I will share that with you. So ginger, we know it's good for your heart. It's good for digestion. It's good to help get rid of inflammation in the body. It's good to lower your high cholesterol levels. It's good for your blood pressure. It's good to for brain health. Regulates, helps with memory, and it will help. What's what I want to say? It will help to keep down Alzheimer's, if I said that word right. All right. It will help reduce the risk of cancer, and it fights infections. It fights infections. So here's what you have with the ginger. And ginger also helps improve with your overall skin. Your overall skin. So just know that, y'all. This is a powerful time that we are living in. And so let's capitalize on it. Let's capitalize on this thing, y'all. This is powerful. I promise you it is. I promise you it is. So I'm just trying to contain myself, and we're going to do that. We're going to be good. Okay? So here we go. And I'm using the Nama J2 juicer. Nama J2. Here we go. And we are just going to pour this in here. And guess what? While this is going through, we're going to do a few exercises. The reason I do exercises on these videos is I want to encourage you for movement, encourage you to move. And so if we're doing a little bit of exercise, then when we're done, and at your own leisure, you can do that. You can do that. So we're gonna get this going. Yep, and get your, uh-oh. Okay, let me see if I can get you down in here right. All right, there you go. There you go. All right, so let's get your bottles and let's get to doing some movement. And we're not going to do it long today, but we're going to do something. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Look at that ginger coming out of there. 4, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And just know this is going to be real strong. Strong and powerful. Look at that color. Look at that color. Let's do a few more. 1, come on. Open your arms. 3, 4, come on. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Y'all, I feel this. So these are 1 pound weights and just not a bottle of water. If you're doing these exercises with these weights, you will feel this. I promise you. I promise you. Yes, you will. All righty. Are we done? Okay. Well, it's still coming out. So let's see. I want to make sure that we're going through that. Okay, I think we're done. I think we are done. So, y'all, I want y'all to see this. Look at that. Look how thick that is. It is thick. So what I do, I'm going to pour it in here. Yeah. All right, let's mix that out. Uh-oh. Now we need to get that. All righty. Yeah, and I wanted to see that this ginger by itself is very powerful. Now, I won't drink it like that, but what I will do is pour me a little bit in a glass, and this is what we're going to do. See that? And then I'm going to add, I think that's probably a little bit too much. Then you're going to add a little bit of water, just a little bit. Now, you can do it like this, but it's strong. That is powerful. That's powerful. So I suggest just adding a little bit of water to it. Just a little bit of water, and then you drink it. Cheers. And you'll feel it, I promise you. You're going to feel it going down. Yes, you are. You will feel this going down. It is powerful. And when I say it's powerful, it is powerful. Yes, it is. I just want to just challenge you to do something a little different. Y'all, I feel it. I feel it going down here. And it's going to go out into my arms and cause me to move. Yes, cheers again. Such a powerful drink. Such a powerful drink. But the key to what we're doing, y'all, is to be consistent. To be consistent in what we're doing. So I am going to be drinking this juice for the next 7 days. Now, when is that? The next 7 days, this is what? The 29th, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till December the 5th. I'm going to be drinking this. And I'll be sharing with you how I am feeling. Like I say now, I feel this it going down through here. And I'm telling you, you're going to feel it going through your body. But think about all the benefits that you get from drinking ginger. And it's called a ginger shot. A ginger shot. So I don't drink. I never have. So I really don't know what that shot is, but I can imagine the ginger shot is just a little bit of ginger juice. Yes. And it will stay in your refrigerator for I don't know about 7 days, but several days. So here we have it. And here's this powerful ginger. All right. So again, thank you all so much. I just wanted to share that to let you know that it can be the smallest thing or it can be the greatest thing that we do to help bring health into our bodies. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what it is you do. And I encourage you to keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. I am truly excited. Day 29 of November. And I made it through the day of thanks. All wrong. Y'all, you better believe it. You better believe I am excited about that. I am excited about that. Guess what? I'm going to, in the next few videos, I'm going to make some pecan rolls. I'm going to say nut rolls. Nut balls and nut rolls. That will be coated with unsweetened coconut and coated with chopped pecans. So I'm going to show you that in a video. I guess by now you all ought to know I like sweet stuff. I do. So this is what we're going to do. The next thing I'm going to do too, I'm going to do those fudge brownies. We are going to do that. It's coming. It is coming sooner than you think. Absolutely. Again, I love you guys. I love you so much. You have no idea. And thank you for being on this journey with me. You are really pushing me forward. Yes, you are. Stay with me now. Stay with me. The journey may get a little tough, but if you stay with me, you're going to come out as pure gold. You're going to come out as pure gold. I promise you. All right. Get to moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Always thinking positive. That is the key. Think positive and keep moving. Think positive and keep moving. If you're eating raw, continue to eat raw. If you're just eating whole food, plant-based cook, and that's what you want to do, continue to do that. And if you're eating cooked food with meat, and that's what you want to do, continue to do that. Y'all, we are all on a separate journey. I'm just only here to encourage you. Remember, I'm not a doctor. I'm not anybody in the medical field. I'm just me. I'm just Margie sharing Margie's journey. Sharing Margie's transformation. That's all I am. That's all I am. Yes. So on that note, you are your own empowerment. Okay? And just know that. And these ginger shots will help you in your empowerment. Y'all, I am excited. I am truly, truly, truly excited. I wish I could just really tell you how excited I am about my place, my stage in life today, right now. Okay. Again, thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you to those who are sending me comments. I love them. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Thank you those of you who are sharing my videos. Thank you so much. And please give me a thumbs up. Please hit the thumbs up button. I love it, love it, I love it. And guess what? Until the next video, peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli. Broccoli. Did y'all hear that? I love it. Peace and love and broccoli until the next video.